Alright, we got a couple LiftMaster 3265s at a friend's house. I made, for those that have watched my videos for a little bit, you'll probably recognize these doors. This is the one that I rehung the chain on a while ago at this point. Not sure what kind of doors actually. Let me see, I don't know what kind of doors. Unless it says anything on the side, which it does not. Alright, well. See the back hangs a little bit interesting. They're mounted on top of the rafters, not underneath. That's the same kind of back hang angle that I've got on my doors. Good stuff. Well, buttons are right here. A couple of 78 LMs. We'll go ahead and run these. We'll start with that one. Chain's a little loose, not bad though, not horrible. And we'll close it. Metal rollers, by the way, make so much noise. Down. Nice soft close on that one. I believe these are made in like 2014 or something. You can see you got owner's manuals. These are 3265Ms, actually. And there's a 377 keypad outside. I'll show you that real quick. Metal rollers, a lot of noise. There's the 377 LM. It's programmed in both doors. We'll do the other one here. This one is a little louder. It buzzes a lot. Actually, maybe not. It used to buzz a lot, though. Much quieter than it used to be. Rollers on this one sound even worse. Close that one real quick. Pretty smooth. This one down. Shakes a little bit. Yeah, so this one's actually way quieter than it used to be. Kind of surprising at that. I really want to know what kind of doors these are. This is all I can see is that. Pretty sure that's just installing company. Unless, actually, I think these guys use like endurance door or something. I think I saw one time, so that might be what these are. Who knows? About this is the way to do it for your arm. A little rusty? I don't know, it's just dirty on the arm there. You can see that they probably could be adjusted some, but it's nothing. It won't kill them. It's not the biggest deal if they're set back like that. We'll do one more run of each door, and that's it. Gears grind a little bit. Final run of this one. Yeah, that one's louder. That one's the louder one. Shut these and that'll be it for this one.
Did you fix our garage?
Yeah, a while ago. Alright, we'll shut this one. And that's it. Metal rollers make so much noise. Alright, that's it. Gotta go. See ya.